Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to speed up a video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Speeding up a video in Canva is a straightforward process that can serve various creative, practical, and strategic purposes depending on the type of content you are working on. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the design or project that you're working with. If you don't have yet, just click on the templates. You can choose from any business template, social media template that you can start working with, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations, or you might want to click the create a design to start from scratch. Now, in this case, I'm going to the upload section. I'm going to click a video here. For example, this. And I'm going to choose another video, maybe something like a portrait orientation. Maybe this one right here. Now, another one of the best option for you to change the speed is basically go to the playback section. You see this tool right here? Click on it and you have the option to adjust the speed. All right, if you want to speed up, you see that? You can also do that here in this section. Click playback and you can increase the speed to a different length. Now let's try to play it to see if the speed is enough. All right, as you can see, by following these steps, you can quickly and easily speed up or maybe slow down a video in Canva to match your desired space. Speeding up a video allows you to compress longer clips into shorter, more manageable lengths without losing important content. As you can see, this is very useful when you need to showcase long processes or events but want to keep the viewer's attention. Now, for tutorials like what we do, or even time-lapse videos or step-by-step guides, speeding up sections can summarize the longer steps without boring the audience. And as you can see, a speed-up video like this one can provide a sense of progression or transformation, making it visually appealing for engaging or for viewers. All right, and that's it for today's video. Once you're happy with it, all you're gonna do now is close, click the share button. You can download this MP4, or you can share it to your team member or to your client by clicking this copy link. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.